Picture this, it's Monday morning at a growing startup. While the world is just waking up, someone is already digging through app clicks, customer reviews, and sales numbers to find the answers. The team, the person behind those insights, that's the role of a data analyst. And today, we are stepping right into their shoes. The data analyst takes all kinds of data, such as sales records, website visits, and user feedbacks, and connects the dots into valuable information. By organizing, exploring, and analyzing this information, they turn scattered facts into clear answers that helps teams move forward. The process starts with collecting information from everywhere, like app activity, sales logs, survey results, or even public sources. But raw data is often messy. That's why this role also means fixing errors, filling gaps, and organizing details, so the answers found are actually accurate. Clean data is the foundation for every good business decision. For example, in an online store, they might discover shoppers abandon carts because of high delivery fees. Data analysts inside drive real changes, from improving product features to creating better customer experiences. To make sense of all that information, this role uses a mix of tools. Excel helps with quick calculations and sorting. SQL pulls large data sets from company databases. Python is perfect for deeper analysis and automation tasks. For visuals, tools like Tableau or Google Data Studio turn numbers into simple charts that everyone can understand at a glance. After finding insights, the next step is sharing them. They build dashboards and reports that track key trends like daily user activity, top-selling products, or support ticket spikes. These visuals help teams and leaders spot what's working and where to focus next, making data part of every decision. Numbers alone aren't enough. This role means translating complex data into simple stories everyone can understand. By presenting clear visuals and recommendations, they help teams see what matters most, like which marketing campaign boosted sales or where customers faced issues, so everyone can take action with confidence. The impact of this role goes far beyond just one company. In healthcare, they spot trends in patient outcomes. In sports, they track player performance. Banks rely on them to detect fraud, while social media companies use their findings to understand what makes content go viral. Whatever the industry, turning data into insight shapes smarter strategies and real growth. This field is always evolving. To stay ahead, they keep learning new tools, follow the latest trends, and practice with real projects, like joining Kaggle competitors or analyzing open data sets. Building a strong, up-to-date portfolio proves their skills and helps them stand out to employers. With every project, this role opens new doors, whether it's moving into data science, leading analytics teams, or specializing in fields like finance, sports, or tech. The demand is only growing. If you're ready to start your journey, Edoxi can help you build these in-demand skills and turn information into real opportunity. For more informative content, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon.